For our next part here, then, we're going to add goal amounts, because now we know how much we're getting from the mixture we've selected, but we don't know how much we actually need. Now we have a table for this, but it's not laid out the same way. So we're going to have to use a horizontal, an H lookup, to bring over that information. Now the range here starts with numbered rows. It's a little bit different, so we'll go slowly on this. And we're going to count downward, then still lock the table array, and we're going to repeat this for each column going over, not for each row. And here's how it should look at the end down here. So let's give this a shot. So we're back to here. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to get these target numbers right there. So this doesn't matter what the feed is. This is what they should have, no matter what you use. But what they need changes for different phases of their lives. And that's the diet part. And the diet is right there. So let's do a lookup. Formula lookup. And it's an H lookup. What is our lookup value? The diet. I'm going to lock that in place. Where is the table? It is this nutrition one. We haven't used that one yet. And here it is. Check this out. This is a little different because I don't want this top one. So I want these numbers here. And I don't need this stuff on the side. So really all I need is that. From I3 on down to N12. I'm going to lock that down. And let's count down now. We're trying to bring over the kcals. So the one is 1, 2, 3, 4. I need the info on row number 4. This is not a range lookup because it has an ID right there. Diet 1 is all we do. Perfect. False. So we're going to repeat that now for each one of them for crude protein, lysine, and so forth. So crude protein, one more. That's going to be the next one down. Okay, let's make life easier this time. I'm going to copy what I did, that little trick where I highlight this, Control C, escape, come here, click in the formula, Control V, paste. Now that's going to be the exact same kcal, but I didn't want that. I want the next row down, 5. Okay, is lysine the next one down? It is. Okay, so we can paste it in again and just change it from a 4 to a 6 this time. Okay, which one is calcium? Well, calcium's near the bottom, so much for adding. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so back to our formula. I'm going to paste it in again. Change that 4 row to a 9. Now if this part's confusing, you can type these out. Well there. We'll come back to that one. Phosphorus. What number is phosphorus? Okay, so next one down. So if this one was a 9, this last one must be a 10. Perfect. Now this is what's bothering me, why I paused. These two. They're going to cause some problems because I can't do math with that. But let's see if I address that in the PowerPoint. I can't remember. But keep it in mind, if we don't address it, we're going to have to come back and fix that. And I'm guessing what we'll do is we'll either take the top number or try to come up with something in the middle. Okay. Nope, it looks like before I put something in the middle. So we're going to have to go fix those two. So this is the point we're at so far. So let's do a quick change on that table. I'm going to come back and we're going to go to the nutritions and put a number in the middle there. Now if you want to be more generous for calcium level, maybe you might want to go a little higher. I think I'm going to go 1.15, 1.15 on that one too. Because I wouldn't be able to minus or do anything with that number with that symbol in there. It turned into a character like words. Okay, So here we are. How'd it work out for you? All right, what's next? So now we're going to do the difference row. We have a total and we have a goal. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and figure out the difference between the two as a percentage and then drag it over to the right. So in F16, divide the number above it, F15, by that goal up in F8. You don't need to lock anything down. So back to applications. Here we go. Equals F15, oops, get in there. There it is. Divided by F8. Enter. Now that's a percentage. Doesn't look like one yet, but we're going to make it one. Home. And I'm just going to use this little percentage button right here. There. And I can drag that over. Not all the way, because I don't need a percentage here. And if you want an additional decimal point, you might increase the number. I don't think I do for this. Good. Okay. So we've done the hard part. We've done all the layout. We've done the lookup statements, the math in it. Good point to save it. I haven't saved mine yet. If it crashes now, I get to start over. So let's do that. Let's do a quick save. Let me use a little save icon up here. Now I'm going to add my name to the end of it, or maybe put a little comment on it, like upload this one or something like that. And we'll just put that in my documents.